Right, so just a quick video on finding tripwires with silly string or crazy string. Now, I've read about this. Apparently they used to use this in Iraq and that. Don't know whether they used it outside or just in buildings for finding tripwires. Pretty good idea. I'll show you it. And I've also seen, I think it's Black Scout Survival. I'll double check this. He did a video years ago on finding tripwires outside with like imagine a branch with a piece of string which you walk in front of you, and when it touches you kind of know where it is. So the silly string idea is get silly string and spray it in front of you where you think a tripwire might be. So we suspect there might be one through this little area here. Oh, it's a bit hard to pick up on camera, but there is a piece which is hanging in the air just there. Well, it's hard to pick up on camera, but we've got some bits of silly string here which are dangling, and you could see that where it's caught on. The rest has gone over, but you've got these bits which are hanging on the tripwire there. I wouldn't say that's a very good method. If you had some, yeah, it might work, but might be otherwise. Alright, anyway, cheers for watching. I'll see you later.